Hello everybody. As I begin to put this meal together, I want to talk to you just a bit. I will be having a giveaway on February 5th. I will be taking the answers to the questions on the 3rd. Please visit my community page and I will have everything listed there. So you can go there and join us in doing this giveaway and just having a little fun. Let's just hang out together. But I will be talking to you soon. But just visit my community page as I told you, and you will have all the details there on that page. Thank you. Good afternoon, guys, and how is everybody doing? This afternoon, I am making a quick but delicious meal, and it is Manwich. And I have 1 can of Manwich here. If I need another can, I will use it. I have washed this can thoroughly, and I have washed and chopped my seasonings. I have pepper, green onion, yellow onion, parsley. This is the parsley that you see is frozen. And I have garlic, about 2 or 3 cloves of garlic. My dry seasonings are black pepper, garlic and onion powder, my Tony Chachere's Creole, and some Calvinder's all-purpose seasoning. I have about 2 pounds of ground meat in which I have run cold water through the ground meat. This is just what I do. Don't judge me, but I feel better doing it. And I patted it dry with paper towel. I have 2 tablespoons of olive oil in the skillet. I'm going to mix this well, incorporate the ingredients, and get them all tender and everything. Then I'll add my meat to that. And I'll come back when I put this Manwich all together. So just hold tight, guys. I added the garlic in lastly because it burns quick. So I don't put it in when I put all of the other seasonings in. So it's about right. And now I'm going to add in the meat. Okay, I have the meat in. I've already seasoned my meat with the dry ingredients. Now I'm just going to incorporate all of this in and cook my meat. And once my meat is ready, then we will put the Manwich in. And I've already opened the can and I'll be putting that in. So I'll come right back. The meat is ready for the Manwich. Here is the delicious Manwich. Sloppy Joe. I'll come back when I put it on the buns. Finished product, y'all. Sloppy Joes. Here they are. I've added cheese and a little bit of spicy brown mustard. Just a little bit. And I did add a little ketchup to my Sloppy Joe mixture as I was cooking it. So, thanks for joining. I'm glad you hopped on. This is Patty's Southern Kitchen and more. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, ring the notification bell to be reminded of uploads, and please give the thumbs up. You all have a great afternoon. Talk to you on the next video.